Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Now for this, you'll need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. And additionally, if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, shiny one on the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either the paper clip or this, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone. So you can see right here is our tray. Just cut out, that's the tray, and you want to utilize this pin right over here. So the hole that is part of the tray. The other one is a microphone. So there we go. Once you push the pin in, as you will see, the tray pops out. You can then take it out fully, and on here you have space for 2 different SIM cards, and that's about it. You can place 2 SIM cards on either side, or just one on either side, it doesn't really matter. And once you have done so, pop it back into the device. The cards should start working immediately, as it is for me right now. So as you can see, it's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. And there we go. So that is how you would insert your SIM card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.